Hello friends, welcome to the Voyager Diary. Today, we are going to explore a country where people earn so much without doing anything that every individual owns 2 cars. Residents here receive free education, healthcare, and other life amenities, which is why this country has the highest obesity rate in the world. They just eat and sleep. Friends, the king of this country is known as the most extravagant and indulgent king in the world, surpassing the rulers of Dubai, Qatar, Bahrain, and other Arab countries in his lavish spending. His bathrooms are even made of gold. Hearing tales of his extravagance reminds us of the ancient Mughal legends. This king and his royal family indulge in all sorts of vices worldwide, but he has imposed such strict laws on his people that adultery is still punishable by stoning here. The biggest festival here is not Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha or Christmas, but the Sultan's birthday, which is celebrated as the greatest joy. The currency notes in this country are made of plastic instead of paper to protect them from tearing and getting wet. The most beautiful mosques in the world are found in this country. Friends, today we are going to explore the amazing, very wealthy, and resource-rich country of Brunei Darussalam, which, like us, is a Muslim country but very different from us. However, before starting the video, I request all my new friends to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you receive notifications of our new videos on time. The official name of Brunei is Brunei Darussalam. It is a small but beautiful Islamic country located in Southeast Asia. Brunei shares its borders only with Malaysia, while its maritime boundary is with the South China Sea. Friends, all the kings of the world are known because of their countries, but this is the country that is famous worldwide because of its sultan. Surely, you have seen videos of Sultan Hassan al-Bolkiah's wealth, extravagance, and gold-plated cars on social media. Sultan Hassan al-Bolkiah became the ruler of this country in 1967, and even after 57 years, he has no intention of relinquishing power. His grip on Brunei is so strong that he is also the Minister of Finance, Minister of Foreign Affairs, Minister of Defense, Army Chief, Chief Justice, and holds other high positions. Friends, there are many rich people in the world, but the way this Sultan displays his wealth is unbelievable. The Sultan's residence, Istana Nurul Iman, is the largest and most expensive residence in the world, with 1,788 rooms and 257 bathrooms. Gold plates are installed in place of stairs, and the bathrooms are entirely made of gold, with gold leaf used instead of toilet paper. Air conditioning is provided even in the stables for the Sultan's most expensive horses. Sultan Hassan al-Bolkiah's clothes are made from gold threads, precious pearls, and rare jewels, and it is said that the Sultan never wears the same outfit twice. The world's largest parking garage is also owned by Sultan Hassan al-Bolkiah, housing 7,000 expensive and luxury cars. The Sultan is a huge fan of car racing and owns all the Formula One cars ever made. The renowned company Rolls-Royce manufactures 50 cars each year according to the Sultan's preferences. Mobile phone companies specially design phones adorned with gold and diamonds for the Sultan. Although the Sultan owns several private jets and helicopters, his Boeing 747 is nothing short of a palace, with $100 million spent on its interior and luxury. Sultan Hassan al-Bolkiah has had many marriages and divorces, but the Sultan, his brother, and his princes each have their own private harems, which include local and foreign women kept as concubines for sexual relations. These matters are usually kept secret, but an American woman named Gillian Lauren, who lived in the harem of the Sultan's brother, Jeffrey Bolkiah, wrote a book titled My Life in a Harem after gaining her freedom. In her book, she not only exposed the dark secrets of Jeffrey Bolkiah, but also those of the entire royal family, including the Sultan. She revealed the inhumane abuses inflicted on the girls in the harem, all under the guise of wealth. Gillian Lauren disclosed that Jeffrey Bolkiah spent millions of dollars on creating immoral and nude statues of various women, and his residence was filled with his own obscene paintings, commissioned from the world's most renowned artists. Friends, this was about Sultan of Brunei and his wealth. Now let's understand where this immense wealth comes from. Brunei is a small country with a total area of 5,765 square kilometers, making it one of the smallest countries in the world, with 8.6% of its area covered by water. Despite its small size, the country has vast reserves of natural oil and gas. These resources are the reason Brunei is considered one of the richest countries in the region. Brunei has a population of only 400,000 people, ranking 175th in the world by population. Due to the abundant resources and small population, the per capita income here is sky high. This is why the Brunei government can easily meet all the needs of its citizens, making them wealthy and prosperous without any hard work. Brunei also has the highest obesity rate in the world, with even school-going children suffering from extreme obesity. The Sultan here not only enjoys his wealth, but also spends it generously on his citizens' education, health, and employment needs. The people of Brunei are known for their high morals, gentle demeanor, and tolerance, treating tourists with great hospitality. Bruneians are extremely wealthy. You can commonly see cars like Lamborghinis and Ferraris on the streets. The homes here are grand and spacious, incomes are very high, and goods are extremely cheap with minimal taxes. Brunei exports millions of barrels of oil and natural gas worldwide each year. The annual GDP of Brunei is $31.904 billion, with a per capita income of $74,952. Economically, it is considered the 9th strongest country in the world. Bruneians rarely go abroad for jobs or business because there are plenty of opportunities within their own country. Even those doing small jobs earn a substantial income. The official language spoken in Brunei is Malay, but Hindi, English, Chinese, and Malayalam are also spoken and understood. Regarding religion, 80.9% of the population are Sunni Muslims, and Islam is the state religion. Christians make up 7.5%, while the rest follow Hinduism, Buddhism, and other religions. The largest ethnic group in Brunei is Malay, comprising 70% of the population, with Chinese, Indians, and other ethnic groups forming small minorities. About 80% of Bruneians live in urban areas, while 20% reside in rural areas. Sultan Hassan al-Bolkiah's birthday is celebrated like a festival, with a long public holiday, bonuses for employees, and decorations on streets, alleys, and squares. People sing songs in praise of the Sultan and pray for his long life. The capital of Brunei is Bandar Seri Begawan, which is also the largest city in the country. Bandar Seri Begawan covers an area of 100.36 square kilometers and has a population of 100,700 people. It is an important commercial and cultural center, previously known as Brunei Town. The Sultan Omar Ali Saifuddien Mosque is one of the most beautiful mosques in the world, with a dome made entirely of gold. Brunei's stunning mosques are famous worldwide, attracting tourists from all over. Outside of prayer times, tourists are allowed to visit and explore these mosques. While the Sultan and his family may indulge in luxuries, they maintain strict control over their subjects. In Brunei, the punishment for adultery or sodomy is death by stoning in a public gathering. There is also a strict ban on drinking or selling alcohol. Tourists are allowed to bring only up to 2 liters of alcohol for personal use. You won't find any dance clubs, bars, or brothels in Brunei. Women are seen in very clean and modest clothing, although foreign tourists are not restricted and can dress according to their culture and preferences. This is why only foreign girls are seen wearing revealing clothes on the beaches. Brunei is such a peaceful country that crimes like theft, adultery, and murder are almost non-existent. A woman is considered safe even if she walks alone on the street at midnight. The national dance of Brunei is the Adai-Adai dance, performed by women, men, and children on every festival and happy occasion, and it is not considered inappropriate at all. The currency used in Brunei is the Brunei dollar. A unique feature of the Brunei dollar is that it is made of plastic, making it resistant to rain and other elements. Football is the most popular sport among the people here. However, Bruneians are generally not very inclined towards sports. They prefer a relaxed lifestyle and enjoy eating. Street foods are very popular in Brunei. The people here love eating mutton, and coffee and green tea are common beverages. Black magic is very common in Brunei. People, especially women, often turn to practitioners to ruin other women's homes or to create separation between married couples. The transportation system in Brunei is excellent, but it is mainly used by tourists and non-locals because almost everyone here owns 2 or more personal cars. So friends, this was an informative and amazing video about Brunei Darussalam. If you found it educational, please give it a like. To the new viewers, I would like to request once again that if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Quickly subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that we can keep meeting like this. Thank you.